f of x equals to negative 7x positive b. For the given function f of x, which of the following gives the equation for the function f of x positive 20, given that the point negative 4, 0 lies on the graph of f of x negative 20. Here we have the function f of x, and apart from that we have two more functions, f of x positive 20 and other one is f of x and negative 20. In the given answer choices, we have to find the one which gives a function f of x of positive 20. And there is an information that the point negative 4, 0 lies on the graph of this function. Okay, now let me name these two functions as g of x and h of x respectively. That is, let g of x equals to f of x positive 20 and also h of x equals to f of x negative 20. Usually when we have graph for a function like f of x or g of x or h of x in an xy plane, this f of x or g of x or h of x will represent the y coordinate. So we can replace this h of x by y, then we get y on the left side. And for this f of x, we have the stuff for negative 7x positive b. Let's plug in this stuff for f of x over here. Then I'm getting negative 7x positive b negative 20. Now the function f of x negative 20 has become an equation over here. Since we have this point on the graph of this function, let's plug in this point into this equation over here. That is, we have to plug in this x coordinate negative 4 for x over here and the y coordinate 0 for y over here. Let me do it. Then 0 equals to negative 7 times negative 4 positive b negative 20. 0 equals to negative times negative positive. 7 times 4 is 28. Positive b negative 20. 0 equals to b, and let's combine this positive 28 and negative 20. I'm getting positive 8. Let me subtract 8 from both sides of this equation to solve for b. This positive 8 negative 8 will cancel out. I'm getting negative 8 equals to b. Here I got the value of b, that is negative 8. Let me plug in this value negative 8 for b over here. Then f of x equals to negative 7x negative 8. Our aim is to find g of x, because g of x gives the stuff for f of x positive 20. According to the information, we have to find the equation in the given answer choices which gives the function f of x positive 20. Okay, now let me take the function g of x over here. That is g of x equals to, now for this f of x we can plug in this stuff for negative 7x and negative 8. Let me do it. Negative 7x negative 8, and we can take this positive 20 over here. G of x equals to negative 7x. When I combine negative 8 and positive 20, I'm getting a positive 12. Okay, here I got the equation that gives for the function f of x positive 20. I find this stuff for negative 7x positive 12 over here. The correct answer choice for this question is D.